Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. Can you hear the air conditioner? I have it on low for right now. It's not too hot outside. Hopefully it's not going to ice up. Usually I have it on high so it doesn't ice up as readily, but on low and a little bit quieter. I'll leave it on for about 5 minutes during this video. I'm currently in my RV doing some outdoor adventures, and here's my smoke detector. I'm in the current process of replacing them with new batteries. These are the alkaline variety. I heard that the lithium ones are a lot better, so I'm replacing the batteries where I need to replace batteries, etc., etc. I'm also doing some slide-out work. This is a slide-out product I use. It's called 3-in-1 RVCare Slide-Out Silicone Lube. Very nice lube. And basically you slide this on the rails and you clean up after edges. And it's pretty nice. It keeps your equipment moving in and out smoothly. I only have one slide. Some of you have 5 slides. That's pretty awesome. I'll put that right here, right back. I was going to toss it over there, but I changed my mind. And finally, in this very short video, I'm going to be doing some rubber and seal repair, conditioning rather, not repair. It doesn't repair, it just conditions it. I've been doing this all day, spraying this on my seals on the outside, the little outside seals. For this one slide out. Again, there you are. So rubber seal conditioner, 3-in-1 RVCare UV shield rubber seal conditioner. Very nice. Here's a close-up. Again, you can buy these products, the batteries of course, the 3-in-1 products at Walmart, probably at Lowe's, Home Depot, the Piggly Wiggly, wherever you go shopping, Tractor Supply. I'm pretty sure they sell these things. So they work pretty easily, and they don't make too big a mess. So here I am in the great American outdoors. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. This has been Jesus Manuel Menagarza for RV and Travel Adventures. I try to keep this video as short as possible. I tend to go on, ad nauseum sometimes, just go on some strange tangents. As I get older, I get on stranger and more unusual and not necessarily interesting tangents. Again, don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Muchas gracias a todos a ustedes. And leave your kind and friendly comments abajo, below. Thank you very much. And I'll have some information about these products in the description. Of course, you can always go to the Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, and your various hardware stores all across those Estados Unidos, and you can buy these products also. This is Jesus Manuel Menagarza. Gracias. Adios. I'm in my Rockwood Mini Light 2205S, and you can hear the air conditioning in the background. It's rather warm outside. It's actually the 80s outside, and we've got a hell of a lot of mosquitoes. A hell of a lot of mosquitoes. They keep on biting me everywhere, so I don't even dare go outside. I'm just gonna put in a movie and relax and have a TV dinner right now. Again, gracias. Adios from Fort Worth, Texas. Somewhere around there in Fort Worth, Texas. Bye-bye.